Sema shewusu efium kwa labrim abesene upemi yimi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. Sema shewusu efium kwa labrim abesene upemi kumi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. Sema shewusu efium kwa labrim abesene upemi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. Sema shewusu efium kwa labrim abesene upemi kumi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. Sema shewusu efium kwa labrim abesene upemi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. Sema shewusu efium kwa labrim abesene upemi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. You're my only brother. You're my only brother. My only brother. Yeah. What goes around comes around. You're my only brother. My only brother. You're my only brother. Sheni you. What goes around comes around. Sema shewusu efium kwa labrim abesene upemi shweni yo. What goes around comes around.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll be right there, sir.
going on here?
Sir, after you finished talking to me upstairs, I kept on seeing this man trying to open your car door.
Take him away and lock him up.
To make a hole in the gate?
No.
What is it?
Please, can I see your master?
Do you know him?
No.
Does he know you are coming?
No.
Does he know you?
No. But it's important I see him.
Tell me, what is it?
Please, it's important I see him.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
Wait, I'm coming. Let's go. Next time, don't bang this thing like that. No, don't bang. Sir, please, this lady is looking for you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
What can I do for you?
Sir, please, it's about my brother, George. The one who came stealing from your car yesterday and was caught.
What about him?
Sir, please, I beg you. He's all that I have. I beg you in the name of Jesus Christ to release him.
Get up. Where are your parents?
They are dead.
All right. You go home. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
So, I want to know, how did your sister get to know where I live?
Sir, I gave her the directions to the place.
And how did you know where I live? Do you know me?
Sir, I know my way around the neighborhood, so I showed her the place.
Anyway, the death of your parents and your desire to see your sister through school should not make you an armed robber. Well, I have never met you before. I don't know you from Adam. But the tears of your little sister touched me because it reminded me of how my parents died early whilst I was a little boy. It was somebody who helped me to become who I am today. You may take this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And promise you never go back to armed robbery. You may go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I can't believe you want to help out an armed robber to start a new life. An armed robber?
He claims he went into armed robbery because he didn't have anybody to help him and his sister out. Anyway, this is nothing to be angry about. Eh? Come on. Lie and sleep. Eh? Anyway, I'll be going to the village tomorrow.
What is happening there this time?
Well, I had a message that my uncles want to see me.
Hey, I hope nobody is sick.
Oh, not really. Not really. But hey, look, it's late. Just sleep. Sleep, eh? It's late.
Martin,
Yeah.
what you way? Why you be a man with say pa? Now, one casa, they went to me a free mouth. And Tisoroni, Abra, and Grandpa myself, who Papa was asking. Can you be a crab? Be sit down, crab back, be fancy brought back with so. Now, a bay yama.
Ofakumi, what can say ye, Pananzo? I am saying, we here. Some yammy back a graha. Mena. And that's my best ramming with Dincomosa, my cramonamico. See, I'm here. Over with the Mufanchame.
Nintia, Oba, one channel chrono. One Casancasa when you get Padibia Mount or ha. And anything and a bar, Opa Pepa now. The same as a go sit down beer, Oba, Obetrimwa. I go never dear. Kebet me a maw no yere no manokura mimi ndani ko sede bia no mo beba mo bagimani e kakra na sam bagima home e kakra na moko enti dwene asoma ye kan hu yi
we de mehwe ne ametima ye wo ho na mom bibi esi mani so no se asase ase de mi papa na wonya no ba bi kono jae no me babesi chemo ho bi wo so amamo.
Oh, am I?
Na modia high.
Oh, yeah.
Na da opebren beba no. Ahwe mfie fom ma. Na che se
oh, why are
ti adagina me
why are dear me ba na me se me busa wo unu abe ma to me aya wote ne nka
siwa nkra menye fi amano ne ho no chese sebe nkwasasem kwa no ne nam eye wo ho on transit asem bi ebesi bia no okaka bi
ne ho akomo manfo ni bi
na mom nyame adoma na otwe ebesi mu no oba
oh eh
na me de sikapo bi esi ho se oba me le mama no no de ahyejuma bi ase
oh why are dear dudu da wasenso Fisa papa wuja mu akwale yi wunya nde kurukura ada kuta ne san odi anyini ama na tukwa kwa mono ne wasan na ba mba pesa be pa adwuma ama na ye meba meda wase na mi hira wo na ba bia wuyi firi no nyame ma obi nsan hyewo
se wa we hira we de meda ase pa masom
ani abra And you more than and then uncle. Jare.
Ai.
I could pay you be more fun.
Sa ko na my dwene.
Nkwani mi nyanka mehwe pa.
I'm trying now.
Me ma krasin kwa papa bi.
Me kan in terms say me ba me na me transipi ya no say me hu me modi nkomo ana me say me na si kwa so sesi a.
Yeah, now you may be here.
Ntia pa yo wo me da mo ase pa. Na so say me kwara.
And I'm going to go down.
Yo.
Matthew. Papa on chat. Yeah. Hey.
You do my son, man. See, one next time, my bedroom. Whatever. I'm you church up.
Hey!
Mama, meet you in Kunkura.
Matthew. Yo. Hey, now me do fear.
Na no abele da na wie.
What figure is this?
5.
And that one, what is that?
This.
Yes.
It's not me who wrote it.
So who wrote it?
Sally, Kumasi, how did you spell the Kumasi? Hey, Capital K-U?
Look over yours. Stop looking at Sally's work. She is writing an essay. You are doing arithmetic.
Sally, Kumasi, capital K-U. Oh, I'm tired.
Good. Now let me just sign.
We have finished.
I told you they will never be able to beat us to the first position.
We have also finished.
Hey.
You are still writing.
Of course, they are still writing.
It's Mom who is writing. I am not.
We have finished.
So now, you can go to bed. Eh? You won't put your exercise books.
Make sure you pray before sleeping, eh?
Sweet dreams.
Hey, these kids really took after me. They are
I
so
was going
clever.
to say Jojo looks like me.
No, looks like my father.
Remember, I resemble your daddy. Why do you think you love me?
Oh my God, this old man.
The weather is too warm for my liking today.
Very, very. I hope the AC is on in the bedroom. Let me change. I'm so tired, eh?
I will be with you. Let me first check if all doors and windows are...
Hey, check. Oh. I don't think we have to talk with the lights off.
We don't have anything to talk about, do we?
What happened at the village?
Oh, that. Well, they only want me to come and build something small on my father's plot.
How? We don't need a house at the village. And if even you have to, it shouldn't be on your father's plot.
Well, and I cannot buy a land there because my father has one. They will never understand.
Fine, we should not build any house there. It's as simple as that.
Sylvia, get the guys to clean the guest house for my brother Tom tomorrow morning.
I thought he said he'll stay in another apartment.
I changed my mind. And please, let's not discuss it.
Whatever.
Sema shewusu efrium kwala brim abesene upemi yimi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. Sema shewusu efrium kwala brim abesene upemi kumi shweni yo. What goes around comes around. Say my sharuzu efrium kwala brim abesene upemi sheni yo. What goes around comes around. Say my sharuzu efrium kwala brim abesene upemi sheni yo.
That's what I'm talking about.
What goes around comes around.
Is this a house or is this a house? And you talk. Oh gosh, goddamn! Wait, I want to know something. I mean, do you own this or you rent it?
I own it.
You own this?
Oh, yeah.
Golly, that's what I'm talking about. See, now we own a house. We own a mansion practically. Right? So we own a house. Oh, I love this. I love this. It's so beautiful. See, this is the life I'm talking about. You know, you're big man now. Golly, hold it. Welcome home. See, this will make me love Ghana. Trust me. I'm gonna love Ghana with all this. See, life in America ain't easy. It ain't easy at all. You know, all these flowers, all these lights and stuff. I'm gonna love this house. This is my house. This is my house. Oh, I like this. I like this house. Now, see, we have to make some changes, but I'll make them differently. I'll put something here, something very nice.
This way.
What about here? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I'm back. Welcome to Ghana. Tom is back.
Hey, this way.
Well, that's what I'm talking about. This is all you. I tell you, you made it big, yeah? There's money we're talking about here. You made it so big. This is what I'm talking about. I love this.
I hope you feel comfortable around.
Why not? There's nothing to be uncomfortable about, you know? Wow.
Ah, Sylvia.
That's a big ass TV you got there.
Oh! Look at it.
She's going to be a big ass woman. You gotta slim down. You gotta slim down.
Sylvia, I'll show you around here.
Yeah. Well.
And I strongly believe she prepared something to await your arrival.
Definitely.
Oh, she has to. Thank you very much. She has to.
Hey, I'll be with you, okay?
Thank you.
You're a big boy now. Hey, come on.
Oh, boy.
You're welcome to Ghana.
Say my sharuzu efrium kwala brim abesene upemi sheni yo. What goes around comes around. Say my sharuzu efrium kwala brim abesene upemi sheni yo. What goes around comes around. Say my sharuzu efrium kwala brim abesene upemi sheni yo. What goes around comes around.
I like this. Ghana. It's made right here, right?
Yeah.
Good. We catching up. You know, we catching up very, very fast.
Well, you know, bro, 10 years out of the country feels like 100 years. Everything has changed. You have changed.
Does that mean you enjoy my food?
Trust me. This food that I'm eating here is no different from all the food that I've eaten in the restaurants in America.
Tom.
I'm American woman.
Grow up. Now, Tom, tell me, did you ever think of something that you want to do when you get here, or you want to study the system first?
Well, considering developments in the country right now, I think a nightclub wouldn't be such a bad idea.
A nightclub? No, please. It could be anything but not a nightclub. I would rather you study the system. Maybe you come up with something else, but definitely not a nightclub, please.
Well, I'll consider what you're saying, but trust me, I would have preferred a nightclub though. Ah, boy. Bro, do you mind if I go for that check?
Why not?
Big bro taking care of me as usual, huh?
Alright, guys. 7 p.m. sharp. We'll be waiting for you. And no foolish mistakes this time. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my G.
George?
Yeah.
Fall out.
Why did you shoot him? Why did you shoot him? Why did you shoot him? Away, away! Whoa! Why did you shoot him dead? Ah! Look, tell him I give shit, I don't take shit.
Eu refri palabre, abesine, o penio comigo. What goes around comes around. You're my only brother. My only brother. You're my only brother. My only brother. my only brother. My only brother. You're my only brother. Genie, what goes around comes around. C'est ma chose à fume.
Well, thanks guys for the operation. It's over. But my father is dead. I believe if he had taken good care of me, I wouldn't have asked you guys to go and rob him.
I am sorry, Don, that I used the gun. He wouldn't have died if I hadn't used it.
Yours is to use the gun and use it wisely. But next time, wait for my instructions.
Yes, Majid.
George?
Yes, Majid.
Count it.
Yes, Don. $500. 500. 2,000. 100. 100. 3,200 Ghana cedis.
George? $1,200. You guys should go and sort yourselves out and have some fun. See you guys first thing tomorrow. George, have some fun, right?
Yes, sir.
Stereo, turn it higher, higher. Now everybody likes to light it. Put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up.
The door. Go on. You selling the We'll make money suffer. Yeah. Smiling John. Smiling John. Hey, baby. Money goes up.
Lovely lady, good evening to you. You want to taste this?
Big time.
This time money will push you.
No, don't.
Who is that unfortunate soul? No. It's a small spy. No. I wonder.
I was wondering if you are available for the night today.
Does she look available? Look, don't tell me stop.
Majid.
Talk.
Majid.
Talk.
Majid. Imagine. God damn it!
God damn it!
Look, shit, I can't believe that. Look at you.
I miss you, bro.
Damn, God has been good to you.
Yes, man. I'm the dog. And when did you arrive, man?
Last month, you know, I've been in the country for like a month now.
Oh, so you are still fresh?
Very fresh in the country. I don't even know what to do.
Well, are you on holidays?
No, see, I've come. I'm back for good. I want to stay around here to like try things out. But the lady, you know.
Look. Hey, baby is my only girl, and don't dare.
Hands up.
Don't dare.
Hands up.
Don't dare.
Hands
Don't
up.
dare.
I ain't going there. I ain't going there. I ain't going there. I ain't going there. I'm
Let me carry you. Let's get this. Let's get this. My dog, guys.
She's showing up her belly speed, looking sexy with neighboring. She don't care who's hating, she ain't faking, she's just doing her thing.
What are you saying? That I'll loan you goods worth 100,000 Ghana cedis. That's a lot of money, you know.
I know, sir. But I just want you to help me to get back on my feet, sir.
It's going to be difficult. I don't know you. And you didn't come in with any advance or collateral. And yet, you want me to part with 100,000 cedis worth of goods based on only trust.
Believe me, sir. I will pay back with all the interest.
Okay, just give me a day or two. But I'll see what I can do. Maybe I'll get you something, but not necessarily up to 100,000 Ghana cedis worth.
I will appreciate it, sir. Thank you very much.
Matthew, are you still awake?
Are you not asleep?
I was asleep, but I just got up to find you like this. What is it?
Well, a man must always think.
Sure, a man must think, but it makes it easier when you have a wife around you. Share it with me. What is wrong with you?
A young man walked into my office today, and his mission was to come ask for goods worth 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Do you know him?
No, never met him before, but respect was written all over him. I mean, the way he walked in, the way he was dressed,
Matthew.
soft-spoken.
A man walks in to your office and wants you to give him those goods. The way he was dressed, the way he was speaking softly, and so you want to give him that goods, eh?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
Who will come looking for a favor from your office dressed in tattered clothes arrogantly? Nobody will do that. What are you talking about? You have to be careful, Matthew. Be careful. That is all I'll say.
You sleep, huh? Let's just sleep.
I don't understand.
And tomorrow, I'll go see my uncles with Tom. I'll go with Tom.
Who will come into your office looking for favor in tattered clothes? Think about it.
this is one of my houses, you know.
I don't know, look, whilst I was away, everybody has something to show for it. I went to the land of money, I come back, and there's nothing to show for it.
Look, everything is about planning. Anyway, let's get inside.
Well, put it like that.
Yes, and that reminds me, have you been hearing of Tiafi?
No, it's Fiati.
No, is the name Tiafi or Fiati?
No, the last time I remember it was like Fiati or something.
Fiati,
like that.
okay.
But that guy got busted for cocaine in London, you know.
You don't mean it?
And then he's been like 10 years in jail for cocaine.
Oh,
man. I don't know what's wrong with him, you know. Like, he had cash. I don't know why he was
Man. Hi, babe.
Hi, darling.
Thanks, dear.
Hi, Tom.
Sam.
How are you?
Can't complain.
Well,
Right.
excuse me.
Hey. Yeah. So tell me you're home. Yes, whiskey.
Sure. You know me so well.
Dry or wet?
Wet.
I'll be with you.
Okay. Wow. Alright. Look, I must tell you, my G, I'm seriously impressed.
Oh, come on. Look, don't. This is something small. I'll take you to my mansion on the mountains and you love the place.
Some money in the house.
We'll make use of money and people will be scared. This kind of woman here. Alright. I'll take you to my place on the mountains. And you love it.
I envy you right now.
Oh, come on. Look, you get there, right? You care for some nicotine?
No.
That's my boy, man. Yeah, so tell me, Tom, what have you been doing with yourself?
Well, you see, my brother's got this consultancy firm set up. I'm trying my hands on it for now.
And you don't like it?
Look, what will I be doing with something that I've studied for 11 years? Look, I want something that will give me quick cash, you know? That's why I want to set up a nightclub.
Look, Tom, business is how you make it, all right? When are you going to see your old folks?
Well, tomorrow. I hope they'll be able to convince my brother to, you know, get me the nightclub.
Anyway, when you come back, let me see you. And I'll show you around, you know. And
I will let you see me.
And I'm sure you'll be smiling.
I need something or something like what I just saw here. I need myself a woman, eh?
You know, you get more of those, man.
Now that you mentioned that, cheers.
Cheers, bro.
I need some life.
Yeah, man.
Just put it all over.
I mean, say after 1 month, obese scan crank ma me see office na ma. Me yi miska dia ma, me dey see offices near there. Brabe ejuma wo mu a.
No. What I said, the minute I landed in Ghana, I catch up. I told you what I want to do. I told you I want to set up a nightclub. Me catch up. You're very much aware. What are you?
Nightclub. Okay, what did I tell you? Me catch you say after sika no enya wo sika. Me na matna krom ha. Na nim ne ekoso sese. Me say nightclub fine. Nanso nia me say ye no ansa. Se fa so bi ba ho a. Una club kwa ko si dukura ne eno mfa me ho. Me kan we na makambo ne. Me can wear my cambo. What was this can me can say
it always boils down to this. You know, it boils down to the fact to say, oh no, mommy, what I say. But it's neither here or there. As Musi can tell to me, I'm not a stupid boy. Before I met, I was eating.
Have you ever fed yourself?
So what? I mean, no, it doesn't matter. Whether you take care of me or not, you're my big brother. I just want to take care of you. What are you telling me? Who
you are, Baba?
It's today. You know what's going on.
So what? Are you my son? Responsibility.
Me fair papa next time I want to make kasasa. Next time I want to make kasasa.
Hey, Matthew. Tobe. Ene matu maka bebrebe nyina emfa hwema. Ne bom wo ne panyini Matthew me ka kyerɛw ne wo nua no hwehwɛ sika kro no fa ma no fa nkɔnkɔ na dwuma kro a ɔpɛ na ebo ɔtɔ.
Na fa nkɔ esa night club no.
Na sa night club no kra ase ne sen.
Ono si ono.
That is the question. Alright, me twa mo bi ebisa ko obi amisa. Me was a one answer. Me pensions, I mean, I want about because I don't know what I'm thinking about, but that's a very good question. Before that, you know, where the club, what club, as I go any master. But a baby, a man named Man, almost and I do be a normal bon, no more tomopa, at to pania. I am very nice when you bet on Scout woman case.
Thomas,
Yes, him.
Sir Jumano, and now pet, say. Obla Mosika, Nafa Kokoye. Yes. Meboa.
Atopada.
Hey, Tommy. And then now person we just ka. I met you on.
Hey, very good business. Very good business.
Fausika to met you. Fausika at home. And for man in net on for more china.
Into the ultra media. Into the ultra media.
Send ya.
I the ultra media.
Said you man now quiet. I said the Unya Papa be a fine.
Me and Casa Winya sama my chance. You
want
Mamma to the Minino or dear Mamma. You can't come here and sorry. Obey. But the dear Mamma, what details are wife, I will jack with a Kakima.
Waja. Me fucking mouth.
I told you so where they cry.
You don't feel can't run out of mammy. Pull out of mammy.
Hey, we talk anymore. Oh, but make sure anymore. Well, but to move here because I say configure about how to me and your man to us here. You don't You know what was most annoying, Majid? None of my uncles, not even one of them, was on my side.
Tom, it's not that they are not on your side. They don't have the vision you have.
What am I supposed to do about that?
Tom, nobody in this country is going to give you such a huge amount of money. And the only way to get that amount is through your brother. And the only way... Maybe...
Take care.
Right. Tom, the only way is to get rid of your brother.
Majid, I can do everything, but I don't think I can kill.
You are not going to do the killing. Look, what are friends for? My boys will take care of that.
Okay. I'll see what I can do.
Look, Tom, you have to think and think very fast. Right?
What goes around comes around. Sama shausu efrium kwalabrim. Abesene upemi ime. Sheniyo. What goes around comes around. Sama shausu efrium kwalabrim. Abesene upemi kumi. Sheniyo. What goes around comes around. You're my only brother. Only brother. You're my only brother. My only brother. You. Hey, hey, hey. What goes around comes around.
Yeah, I'm dropping them at Gege's place.
Okay.
But then go and inquire about the shop.
Okay.
And then whatever the result is, pass by the office and give me a feedback.
Okay, I'll do that. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
C'est mon cher sous le fruit un qualabrem. Abesene ou pemie kumi. What goes around comes around. You're my only brother. Only brother. You're my only brother. My only brother. Hey, hey, hey. What goes around comes around. You're my only brother. My only brother. You're my only brother. Shenio. What goes around comes around. C'est mon chou sous un frium qualabrim.
So, how's your sister doing?
She's very well. She even asked me to extend her greetings to you.
I see. Well, this is my office. What brings you here today?
Well, I decided to bring you this.
Oh.
Yes, it is a token of my appreciation to you for me some time back.
George, you didn't have to buy me a gift from the money you're working with.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh. Thank you, anyway.
Well, I think I'll leave you now so you can concentrate on other stuff.
My regards to your sister. Take care.
Sir, please, Mr. Namakon's scorecard.
Nimakon. Okay.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Hello. Hello. Uh-huh. What? Are you sure you're talking to the right person? No, please. Yes, I am. I am Matthew. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah.
Hello.
Hello, Mom.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, Mom.
Hey, is somebody with you?
No, please.
Okay, I'll see you. You look good.
Thank you, Mom. You're also looking very good.
I'll be with you, eh? Matthew. Matthew. Sleeping at this time. Matthew. Hey. At this time of the day, sleeping in your office. I'm surprised. Hey. Matthew. Hey, Matthew. Hey, Baba! 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 Baba, come, let's take him to the hospital. Matthew! Matthew, what is this? Hey, Baba, come. Matthew! Hey, no. Can't you carry him?
So, Doctor, I was wondering, those tests that you ran on my brother, what were the results?
Actually, he suffered from shock. I'm sure the caller might have told him something that took him off.
But doctor, what is his condition now? How is he doing?
Well, there is hope. This morning, he actually moved a finger.
Really?
Yeah.
Hope. Now, what is wrong with some of you doctors? The patient moved a single finger. You call that hope? A simple finger movement and you call that hope? I don't understand some of you people. How can that be hope? How can that be hope?
Doc, just try and get him on his feet for me. I will be very grateful.
He will be well.
Sylvia, let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
Don't smoke,
Sylvia!
Get well. Just get well.
You get again, I'll leave you.
Right. The nurse will be coming to give you the injection soon, okay?
Abu. Anadia Matthew, watch a dodo.
Oh, Aunt Baba. How are you, sir?
And Chebia, Baba. Say, Anaya, open.
Oh, I did a bit of banter, and do so one bantam.
Near Nadia, the brewache. Hey, as a cabby soon, who said a wabble.
Say, my show so a few qualabrim. Abesene, open me kumi. Shenio. What goes around comes around. Say, my show so a few qualabrim. Abesene, open me. Shenio. What goes around comes around. Say my shells who a few qualabrim. Abesene, open me a comi. Shenio. What goes around comes around.
Hey, Auntie Abna. Waba. Hey. Matthew, so mommy said me in question will be man on a me, you remember catch in office. Me do office where Matthew na fainted that way.
He fainted in so any day.
Matthew, any sweet brim no man with trash.
Hey! Auntie, why?
We didn't go hospital.
And a doctor necessary.
Almost say, be you on the drip near this sinner.
Say, no, what to say?
Almost say, be ye.
Hey, and the answer why?
Oh, Safi now.
Hey, I'm Baba, you. Seven years, uncle, and I'm Mr. from any question. I'm a quama barman yet. Hey, I said, Benny. I do not credit me, Jardian, and I made them any abre. Hey.
Look, your brother is not coming back to give you money. So this is the only opportunity you have if you really want to make money.
How?
Well, I will show you if you want money.
Of course you know I want money. I can't even believe you're asking me that question. I need money to buy the land and then to build a nightclub.
That's okay. You know what? Your brother's life savings is what you use in getting the goose on that ship. Mm-hmm. That's why I had the shock of his life when the call went to him that the ship had sunk. But the ship is coming in tomorrow. Yes. And nobody is aware of that. You know, I have links at the port. So we have to prepare a letter using your brother's letterhead, signature and stamp, asking that the goods be delivered to you since he's now sick in the hospital.
Wow. I would never have thought of such an idea.
Come on. That is why I'm your friend. We are going to be rich forever and ever. We have to grease some few palms here and there. But I'm short of cash. So if you can mobilize some funds, I think it will be cool.
Consider it done. Already done.
I trust you.
Man.
We are in business. Look, that is why I'm the dog.
The doctor didn't say anything about checking on my husband's illness on the net, you know. He has always said that it's a normal thing, and I'm surprised this sudden change of he asking of big money like that. Tom.
Wait, hold on. What are you trying to insinuate? That what? That you doubt me or you don't believe the doctor?
I'm not saying that, okay? I'm just thinking, okay, fine, maybe we have to change the hospital. Maybe we need to change doctors, okay? If that was... Sally, go in your room, come on.
See, the point I'm trying to make here is very simple. Which I say, me who need want to say, answer now. Listen, okay? Or my brother Yari, which I say, or the hospital. You just carry a shadow, and there's no money. That's not to see. You our dining there. You went to be the bank, our bank. Near loan. Near the Coco hospital. That's what I'm saying. We can use some of the houses as collateral at the bank for loans. They didn't say maybe make a money. Say.
Thomas. Me dear Martin say. Bangi bosi nyese okojina hwa ne atamasha wonsem agimle kakra bebem won ka kumsu agin kwaku anum enti nke ko hu doctor no a na de ebe ka kire no ebi a obepa aduro bi aye no ansa na yenye sika ye de akọ enu momu ye since ye betonton ne niema ansa na
kasa no he bi asem me ne wakasa me bi ma no akasa wa no na wo be kasa a kire me no me bi no akasa stay out of what I'm saying grab off na me ka no ntima me ka twi me se ka wa no tu na ye phone.
Look, I agree with her, okay? I agree with her. Meaning ya dream pa. The all can no cre. The all can no cre. I cannot sell my husband's properties. Debbie. Yent mean ton no amasa. That's Matthew on pinekra.
Well, watch me because me tell my brother in Wuna Sunny I say way. I don't even get it. I would never sit down for something like that to happen. I tell you for a fact, I'm changing myself. But I say, me call them, me call some who, me send you share me family who you for, me call ton kind of back home.
You are joking. Stop me. You are joking. I will stop you. You are joking. What on there?
Man ko no na sam haja ha na nim
Papa, pull down.
Look at you. Wo mu mienu frem omo kwala do mo nyina du se sa na otie. What you ko ton hwe san?
What?
San kura.
Foolish boy.
Adai. Lipa ya le kakra na itin ton ho mi ona.
Me wa doctor ya catch him say dey normal e be ye.
Ne ho beto no.
Why you didn't kunkan asa ya be ensida. Ade nsu no ho beto no.
Ne ho beto no. Ne ho beto no. Ya de di.
Sato mi bi ni timpa o. Tobi o ni timpa o.
Ne ko la brem na ne so.
Sally, what is wrong with you? Jojo, Dad is very sick.
How do you know?
I overheard Uncle Tom and Mom arguing.
I'll go and ask Mom.
No, don't go and ask Mom. She won't tell you the truth. Let's ask Aunt Abna. I'm sure she will tell us the truth.
Then let's pray for Dad, okay?
This is the best kebab in town.
You want more? No, I can order more. But let them bring more.
Look, Tom, relax. The night is still young, you know.
We are chilling. No, we are celebrating tonight. See, 2 weeks with you in this business. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a rich man.
You look rich, man.
I'm a rich man. I'm a rich man.
Look, Tom, I told you, in this country, if you really want to make it, you have to read money into every situation.
You are right. You are right. See, I smell of money. Money is sweet. Money.
If you have money, you can even slap your mother-in-law. She'll beg you. If you have money, you can even go to your office and slap your director. They'll beg you. He'll beg. Oh.
Tom, Tiaso me catch the one. And da, Safia ni abna bae no. Obe kama nya Tiaso say wo si ubu akọ ayasabe ho akọ yi ma tu afiri ho. Na akọ to baabi ankasa ankasa wara ankasa ankasa ope. Wa bra won tu am boy mpanifo ye busuan ya mane. Adeti na ayesa.
Well, gosh, you know, like it's true. What I say, me and I'm here. I had to do it because you're very responsible people of Abusuem. What I say, there's a lot of responsibilities going around. I couldn't take it any longer. I mean, my brother, you know, here.
Auntie Sylvia.
Well, I asked him, "She here." I just say, "Oh, yeah, maybe I'm a young woman here." She was behaving like it sickly. It to me was preposterous.
You are sick in the head.
I mean, who didn't tell my brother Yari, I want to save his life. I didn't go to another hospital. It should be a problem. I just want to save his life. That's what I mean.
What bottom? You are sick in the head. You are not taking him anywhere. The doctor na ne behwe no. Who nyine fa no ko bia. The doctor na. Ya den be call the doctor no. We have made you who you are today. Ya show, ya titso, ya nye o. Sheno.
Umuska.
Hey, Tom, what say?
Of a train, ya ko fa no hu no. Ye de ba wa ya so hu no.
Oh, shut up.
What on ade ba awade say? Hey, Tom, why you ye? E wom so ma me no papa wudie. Na so wo abusua. Enti bibi pa ese busuafo de adwen ho. Na wo ko mutimi fo tumi. Anya de opɛ. Wona wan?
Wala mujije ye ka busana mo ka busana ka ya mo hwem ngongo. Abusana wana. Me. Ena me nam. Na me kasa ko say he's my brother. What I say me kasa na ko fa kasa fa me busani. Ba ye hwemu ye pa hwe me. Hwemu ye pa. I say me wa fine. Me nim jeje. Me ho fe. Just me who tell me over so oh say me ma won me catch say I feel no you feel by me bio what be ka cuz my tons I feel. What just say I've given it out like selling for like some millions of cedis. I don't expect you back in the house again. What just say mo hwe mo say pepe money ni.
If you are very ungrateful. If you know dia. You are very ungrateful. If you know dia.
Openuma.
Yes, you na ka ho. Wo boa. Me say wo boa. Wo boa. Abrabi na wo die. Ahoma na wo ye.
Abra jaro.
Ahoma na wo ye.
Obewu kwa. Abafre. On che wi ase. Obedi wi ase mo agro. On che obewu. Ah.
Italy.
Yes.
I know my one I taste now. You're Italy. I like.
No, this is my favorite, you know.
You are good tasting one. Yeah.
Oh boy, what a juicy piece of chicken you have here.
Just like Kentucky, right? I know your taste. But you know we are forgetting one thing.
What is that?
Your brother.
What about him?
Tom, he must go.
Majid, I keep telling you, it is not that easy.
Look, it's very easy.
I don't want him dead. Okay? That is why I suggested a being sick in bed thing, and it is working. He is my only brother.
Oh, Tom. So you want your brother to come back from hospital to realize that you and I have spent all his lifetime savings to save you as a brother and put me behind bars? All right, Tom. Sorry, Dan. You must.
I don't like guns. Take it away. Take the gun away. I don't like guns. Take it away.
Tom.
I don't like guns.
All I want from you is to say okay. And I'll put every situation under control.
Okay.
What goes around comes around. You're my only brother. You're my only brother. My only brother.
So, doctor, you are saying that Tom came to this hospital and discharged Matthew, my husband? So, doctor, you couldn't even bother to take a phone and call me. Doctor, I'm disappointed in you.
I'm even ashamed of myself, knowing I've been the family doctor for years. But actually, he forced me. I had so many patients on me that I had to attend to them. I'm sorry.
Doctor,
to be frank, if I say I know where they've taken him,
hey, Evrati.
Auntie Abna, Yanko, it was same she Tom and there. And not Julia, I met Shem.
How are he?
Met Shem, baby. Thank you.
I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
Se machels o frio qualabrem abesne o pemie comi Sheni what goes around comes around. You're my only brother. Only brother. You're my only brother. My only brother. Sheni hey. What goes around comes around.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, Mr. Maji. This is Dr. Ansari, yeah.
Good.
She just left here.
Good. Look, make sure everything is set. My guys will be there at exactly 7 p.m. And no silly mistakes this time. All right? Okay, look. When all is done, see me for your balance.
All right then.
All right, catch you.
Bye-bye.
Good. So, I mean, now that everything is set, okay? Yeah. Get the guys ready. Let them kill him and then dump him in a river or something. And madam,
what am I doing here?
You have killed Matthew because you want his properties.
Now, how dare you play a smart one?
Don't shout to me. You are talking to Don Machi.
You don't fear her. Into almost seeing to free her.
Madam, I will go to the toilet.
Bam chop.
But the phone call that will be a regular square, and that will be a achimata after despite Akan must. What is your problem? I'm sorry, sir. Can't you see? I'm sorry.
C'est ma chose à faire quoi la bru a besene ou pemi yimi shani yo. What goes around comes around. C'est ma chose à faire quoi la bru a besene ou pemi kumi shani yo. What goes around comes around. C'est ma chose à faire quoi la brim a besene ou pemi sheni yo. What goes around comes around. C'est ma chose à faire quoi la brim a besene ou pemi sheni yo.